Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with Basecamp Trading. It is Thursday, May 10th, and we're going to take a look really quick at the S&P here. And more specifically, we're going to look at the S&P on a daily price chart and kind of the price action we've had over the past few days. Now, as you know, we've been jumping here the past week or so. And if you're a member at Basecamp, this is exactly what we wanted to see happening because we've been talking about this for a while. And the whole thing that kicked this off was this hammer pattern right down here on the dailies. Well, now we're breaking through the resistance, and we had that target of retesting the 27.18.5 resistance. Well, we obviously poked through that a hair today, and we're also breaking out of the daily pennant. So this is all good, looking bullish. But the reason this hammer was such a good setup for it to turn around and start climbing, even though we had been selling off previously, is twofold. A, it was the hammer pattern, but B, we broke through support here, the previous pivot low, ran all the stops, and then turned around and closed up in the hammer. So it had a chance to break down and run, and if it was going to go lower, it should have run off that breakdown. And instead, it immediately reversed and came all the way back up, and we ended up forming an inverted head and shoulders on our 240-minute price chart right here, combined with the hammer, which in turn led to this thing accelerating through the roof the past few days. So this is looking really good. And keep in mind, watch when you go into these support and resistance levels, because when you break through support or resistance, if you break through and turn around and close the opposite direction, so let's say we break through resistance and close down, like we did over here, broke through and then closed down, that's often a bearish run on the stops. And in this case, we broke through and closed up, which was a bullish run on the stops and led to this acceleration to the upside here. So keep an eye out for that type of setup for how the market behaves when it's breaking through these pivot highs and lows, because that can be very telling as to which direction this market's going to head, or where market's going to head longer term. So that's it for today. I hope it helps. I will see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. And until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy trading, everybody.